Yeah, head on today, mate. The king is him in that video. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, but I got the fatigue. I got the fatigue. Okay, son, my Christmas break. I ran out that way. Okay? The king he got fatigue too. He got the warrior fatigue. I can say that. Okay, insensibility. Insensibility. But we got to incentivize. We got to incentivize, mate. That's what I always tell him. That's what I always tell him. So I'm not upset about it. I'm not upset about it. We got to spread the messaging. We got to spread the messaging. Okay? Yes. Yes. We're waiting for that. We're waiting for that. Well, maybe I can educate. I can educate. Cause if you don't have a heart for the reef, mate, the coral, a beautiful coral, mate, you don't love Mother Nature. You don't love Mother Nature, and then it's a kilometer like a genocide, okay? And you're too blind. You're too blind that way. Yes. But good for us to save and relax, mate. This is a good time for it. Okay? Let's begin to do that. Yes. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful fish, beautiful babies. Yes, I look at them. I can see that. That was maybe prey. That was prey that way. Yes, only enchanting me. Only enchanting me with their beauty. I can see that. Okay? But maybe you should close your eyes now and begin to regurgitate your last meal and bow your head. And we can sit together. Yes. Yeah, as you begin to soothe yourself, I can tell you the interesting thing about the life underwater, mate. It's the corals is like a colonial animals, mate. They're like little colonists, I can say that. Okay, with like a constructional skeletal structures, you can't imagine. Okay, made of like limestone a lot of it. I can say that. Okay, you see the shallows, they got the tropical waters, tropical where the sea is the sunlight, and the not so warm waters prevailing that way. Okay. You can see these coral animals, but you got to watch them. You got to watch for they're like little part of the things, mate. Okay, they like to cling to the rock face. Yes, such surfaces like you got to imagine the surface of plastic. Okay, and that is how we're wasting corals, mate. I can tell you, I can say it to you. Okay, I'm not a marine biologist in any way, but I got a lot of sway. I got a lot of sway in the marine parks. I can say that. Okay? A lot of wink wink, nudge nudge, sea life action. Yes, protect the corals. Protect the corals, mate. Respect the laws. You got the local laws. You got to follow. Okay? Regulation, responsibility, responsibility. Okay? Protection. It comes at a cost, mate. Okay? You got marine life hunters. We don't like hunters and collectors, aquatic people. Yes, our aquatic people. Okay, not conditioned to this type of life. Quite frankly, okay, it's not for everyone. It's not for everyone. I should be on the break. I should be having a break, mate. Okay, but I'm not. I'm not, mate. Yeah, I'll go on the break now.
What they looking for, keep what they looking for. Yeah. All they got to do is tell me what they looking for. Dope man. Alright. Dope man. Money to be made, best believe a nigga clocking. I run it myself like a quarterback option. I picture 10 G's, tell a bitch to go shopping. She buy herself some clothes and she bought me back a chopper. These niggas tryna kick it, but no, I don't play soccer. I'm all about my cake, I'm tryna marry Betty Crocker. A package on the way, you know my whip game proper. And all for 1P, I see $70,000. Now I was shooting dice, smoking on the joint. I bet where yo got it, he hit 5 straight points. He over here hustling, he over here grinding. You rap about money and a nigga might sign you. Rap about me and a nigga might find you. Banana in your ass with your head right behind you. Dope game, bitch, let his mama worry about him. You can holler at me a fee.
who you know besides me who write lines and squeeze lines and have hoes in the hood sniffing on white lines? You want me to be your kid's role model. I teach him how to buck them 380s and load up them hollows. Have shorty fresh off the stoop, ready to shoot. Big blunt in his mouth, deuce in his boot. Sit in the crib sipping Guinness, watching Minister. Oh Lord, have a young nigga bucking shit like he old dog. My team, they depend on me when it's crunch time. I eat a nigga food in broad day like it's lunchtime. You feeling brave, nigga? Go ahead, get gully. See if I'ma leave your brains leaking up out your scully. I done made myself hot, so ain't shit you can tell me. Now niggas calling me the feature, man. Fuck your money. I ain't hurting, I'm aight, nigga. I'm doing good. I ain't got the right rhymes, I got bricks in the hood.
I fly Lamborghinis, get higher than the planes. Catch me up in Harlem, I got cars in the lanes. Down in Miami at the bar, champagne. And even in Hollywood, the movie stars know my name. My niggas in the hood say I'm the hardest in the game. You see me in the street, you know I probably got the thing. Sometimes you can catch me skating in the range. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Iced out skull and bones. 180 there around my neck, worth a stone. Need a passport for the places I've flown. They tell me I'm looking good, so when you coming back home? Maybe in December, cause I'm going to November. And if I make it back, I give them something to remember. Hope they get the picture. Trying to get richer and treat the game like a motherfucking sticker. Slash.
Colombia's ahead, dog. I'm Dominican, though.
Thug life and I'm here, so I thank God. Couple years and some bullets from the bank job. Think hard, copped a few slabs. Rooted my ass on the Ave. Planted my grass on the Ave. Made a little cash.